We talk about workers' compensation or being injured in an accident, and we sometimes jump to, well, we'll need to get an attorney and we'll need to sue. But in tonight's opening statement, talking a bit about looking at options before you pull that trigger. Explain that to us.
Sure, Mike. You know, filing a lawsuit should be your last resort. The last thing you need to do is file a lawsuit. Before then, you have a chance to negotiate with the insurance adjuster or with the other lawyer or whatever. Maybe you can reach a compromise and just negotiate a settlement. Or you can mediate. You can get somebody to be an intermediary, sort of like an umpire. And that's non-binding and it's purely voluntary. You can walk away and it's confidential if you don't settle. But then there's arbitration. That is like I think of that as a single judge.
And that is binding and the final determined.
No doubt about it. It's a little more expensive than filing a lawsuit, and you don't get as many chances at discovery, but it is an alternative to filing a lawsuit.
It's all interesting. Don't want to go too far in the weeds, but on mediation, someone's going to mediate and someone's going to decide. Both parties have to agree on who the mediator is, right?
They don't. That's right. You agree on the mediator, but you don't have to agree to the settlement.
Okay, so the mediator can come back and say, you're wrong, he's right, and you can go, nah,
that's
we're
right.
going to go to the next step, arbitration or a lawsuit.
Right. And they can't talk about it if you do file a lawsuit. They can't talk about anything that happened.
Interesting. So those are some alternatives for you tonight.